Hi White Group, nice to see you again. Today we're going to be revising a sound we already know. Our sound today is for my. So my turn, your turn. Well done. I'm going to show you a picture. We've got Maisie in the mountain. This is Maisie Mountain. When you see this, say Maisie Mountain. And when you see this, say Here we go. Oh, checking. Well done. Fred's come. He's going to whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend them. M-O-G. Mog. M-A-D. Mud. M-A-P. Map. Well done. Give yourselves a fantastic. Now we're going to play our game. I'm going to take and I'm going to hide it in our pack. When you see it, point to it and practice your other sounds at the same time. Ready? Here we go. X. K. This is a curly K and it's almost always at the beginning of our words. S. N. D. A. A. E. Special friend. Ch. Special friend. Special friend. K. Qu, who's always followed by his best friend. A. X. Well done. Now it's time to do some Fred says. So we're going to sound these out. We're going to read them. Ready? Let's do it together. At mat. Ad mad. Ad mud. Et met. Let's do some Fred in the head. I'm going to shuffle these up a bit and let's do some Fred in the head. Remember, we're going to sound these out in our head and when I push out, you're going to say the word. Mad. Mud. Mat. Met. Well done. We also have some words in our book. Let's continue to do some Fred in the head. We're going to sound out the word. When I push it out, say it, and then we'll see if the picture at the back has that. Ready? Mud. Oh, let's see. Is it mud? Yes, it is. Splashing ones. One more. Mug. Good. Is it a mug? It is. I hope it has tea in it. I love a nice mug with a tea in it. Well done. Right. Your job today is to go back now and get your sheet that I've put on Teams. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to practice sound writing for Maisie Mountain. I'll go over how you do it. So you go down, down, up, round, round. Okay? Down the mountain, up over the mountain, over again, and then a wee flick on the end. I'd like you to practice writing it. Then I would like you to read the words and draw the pictures. And your two spelling words today are mug and map.